exploring turmeric and its 7 exceptional health benefits. What if I told you that the humble spice turmeric isn't just a flavor, but it's secretly a health and wellness powerhouse? Curious? In today's quick dive, we will unveil turmeric's ancient magic and learn how turmeric is much more than just curry's sidekick. It fights inflammation, boosts memory, eases pain, and so much more. Turmeric is a spice from the root of curcuma longa, which belongs to the same family as ginger. It has a warm, bitter taste and a bright yellow color, giving curry its distinctive hue. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems, such as Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, as well as in culinary dishes from India, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East as well. But what makes turmeric so special? Well, the answer lies within its main active compound, called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that can modulate many biological processes in our body. It can also interact with various molecules and cells that are involved in diseases such as cancer, diabetes, arthritis, Alzheimer's, and even some more. Let's now take a look at some of the proven health benefits of turmeric and curcumin. 1. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection. It helps to heal and protect your tissues from harm. However, sometimes inflammation can become chronic and damage your cells and organs. This can lead to various health problems like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, autoimmune disorders, and others. Turmeric can help to lower inflammation by blocking the activity of certain enzymes and certain proteins that trigger it. For example, curcumin can inhibit an enzyme called COX-2, which is responsible for producing inflammatory chemicals called prostaglandin. Curcumin can also suppress a protein called NF-kB, a key regulator of inflammation and gene expression. Several studies have showed that turmeric can reduce inflammation in various conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, ulcerative colitis, osteoarthritis, psoriasis, and more. Turmeric can also prevent or delay the onset of chronic diseases linked to inflammation. 2. Improving your memory. Your brain needs antioxidants to protect it from oxidative stress and inflammation, which impair your cognitive function and increase your risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Turmeric can provide your brain with antioxidants that can scavenge free radicals and modulate neural pathways. Curcumin can also cross the blood-brain barrier, which means it can directly affect your brain's cells and tissues. Curcumin can increase the levels of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, commonly seen as BDNF, which is essential for the growth and survival of neurons. BDNF can also enhance your learning ability and memory formation. 3. Reduces pain. Pain is a quite complex sensation that involves both physical and emotional factors. Pain can be caused by various stimuli, such as tissue damage, nerve injury, inflammation, or even just stress. Pain can affect your quality of life and interfere with your daily activity. Turmeric can help to relieve pain by acting on multiple levels. Firstly, it can reduce inflammation, which is often associated with pain. Secondly, it can inhibit the transmission of pain signals by blocking certain receptors in your nervous system. Third, it can modulate your mood and perception of pain by affecting neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. 4. Fights free radicals. So free radicals are these unstable molecules produced by your metabolism or by external factors such as pollution, radiation, or things like smoking. Free radicals can damage your cells and your DNA by stealing electrons from them. This process is called oxidative stress, and it contributes to aging and diseases. Turmeric can help to fight free radicals by providing your body with antioxidants, which can donate electrons to your body's cells and neutralize free radicals. Curcumin is one of the most potent antioxidants that nature has to offer, with a higher activity than vitamin C or E. Curcumin can also stimulate your body's own antioxidant defenses by activating genes that encode for antioxidant enzymes. Several studies have shown that turmeric can protect your body from oxidative stress and its consequences, such as DNA damage, lipid peroxidation, cellular senescence, and others as well. Turmeric may also help prevent or treat diseases caused or aggravated by oxidative stress, such as cancer, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and more. 5. Cancer prevention and cancer treatment. Cancer is a group of diseases that are characterized by abnormal cell growth and invasion. It can be caused by various factors such as genetic mutation, environmental toxins, chronic inflammation, or even viral infection. Cancer can affect any organ or tissue in your body, and it can even spread to other parts of your body through a process called metastasis. Turmeric can help to prevent or treat cancer by targeting multiple aspects of cancer's development and progression. Curcumin can modulate the expression of genes involved in cell cycle regulation, apoptosis, angiogenesis, invasion, and metastasis. Curcumin can also interfere with the signaling pathways activated by things like growth factors, hormones, or cytokines. Curcumin can also even enhance the sensitivity of cancer cells to chemotherapy or to radiation therapy by inhibiting the mechanisms that confer resistance to them. Several studies have now shown that turmeric can inhibit the growth and spread of various types of cancer cells, both in vitro and in vivo, such as breast, colon, prostate, lung, liver, skin, and others as well. Turmeric may also help to reduce the side effects of conventional cancer treatments, such as nausea, fatigue, neuropathy, and others. 6. Lowers blood sugar. Blood sugar, or glucose, is the main source of energy for your cell. Your blood sugar level is regulated by hormones such as insulin and glucagon. When we eat carbohydrates, your blood sugar rises and triggers the release of insulin from your pancreas. Insulin helps our cells to take up glucose from our bloodstream and then use it for energy or store it for later use. When you fast or exercise, your blood sugar drops and triggers the release of glucagon from your pancreas. Glucagon helps your liver to break down glycogen, which is stored glucose, and then release it into your bloodstream. However, sometimes this balance can end up getting disrupted by various factors, such as diet, lifestyle, genetics, or even medications. This can then lead to higher blood sugar known as hyperglycemia, or lower blood sugar known as hypoglycemia, which can cause various symptoms and complications. Turns out that turmeric can help to lower blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by your cells. Curcumin can activate a protein called AMP-activated protein kinase, which is more commonly seen as AMPK, which itself is a key regulator of glucose metabolism. Curcumin can also inhibit an enzyme called protein tyrosine phosphatase 1B, or commonly PTP1B, which is a negative modulator of insulin signaling. Several studies have shown us that turmeric can lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes or with pre-diabetes. Turmeric may also help to prevent or delay the onset of type 2 diabetes by reducing insulin resistance and reducing inflammation. 7. Improving digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller molecules that can then be absorbed by your intestines and used by your whole body. Digestion also involves various enzymes, acids, bile salts, hormones, and bacteria in order to function. Turmeric can help to improve digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive juices and enzymes that help to break down food. Curcumin can also enhance the gallbladder's function by increasing the contraction of its muscles and the flow of bile into the intestines. Bile itself is a fluid that helps to digest fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Several studies have shown that turmeric can improve digestion in people with indigestion or dyspepsia. Turmeric may also help to treat digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, ulcerative colitis, UC, Crohn's disease, CD, peptic ulcers, PU, and unfortunately more. So just what are the potential side effects and precautions? Well, thankfully, turmeric is generally safe and well tolerated by many when used as a spice or as a supplement. However, like everything, some people may experience side effects or interactions with certain medications or conditions. Here are some of the potential side effects and precautions you need to know before considering using turmeric. Turmeric may cause allergic reactions in some people, such as skin rashes, hives, itching, or swelling. If you have a history of allergies or asthma, you should consult your doctor before using turmeric. Turmeric may cause upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, or constipation in some people, especially if taken in large doses or on an empty stomach. If you have a sensitive stomach or a digestive disorder, you should start with a low dose of turmeric and take it with food or water. Turmeric may lower blood sugar levels in some people, which can be beneficial for diabetes, but it can also cause hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar, in some cases. If you do have diabetes or take medications that affect your blood sugar, you should monitor your blood sugar levels closely and adjust your dosage accordingly. Turmeric may thin your blood and prevent clotting in some people, which can be beneficial for cardiovascular health, but can also increase the risk of bleeding or bruising in some cases. If you do have a bleeding disorder, or if you take blood thinners such as warfarin or aspirin, you should consult your doctor before using turmeric. Turmeric might interfere with the absorption or metabolism of some medications, such as antibiotics, antacids, anti-inflammatory drugs, antidepressants, and others. If you take any prescription or over-the-counter drugs, you should check with your doctor first or with your pharmacist before using turmeric. Turmeric may have hormonal effects in some people, such as stimulating the uterus or increasing the menstrual flow. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a hormonal condition such as endometriosis or uterine fibroids, you should avoid using turmeric. Turmeric may have unknown side effects on children, as there is not enough research on its safety and efficacy in this population. If you do want to try giving turmeric to your child, you should first consult your pediatrician. Before we wrap things up, we hope this video has helped you to understand the magic of turmeric and how it can benefit your health in so many ways. If you want to learn more about turmeric and other natural remedies, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.